The famous Palma Sport Tennis Club in Mallorca features 5 clay courts, all complete with lighting. It hosts international tournaments and offers a full spectrum of health and leisure facilities in its fitness rooms, 25-meter pool, spa and restaurant. In 2015, the club was fully refurbished to accommodate new facilities. From the outset, the investor wanted to use renewable energy for the heating and cooling systems. His search for the latest energy efficiency technologies led him to the geothermal energy provided by Thermia ground source heat pumps. Geothermal energy now provides 100% of the club's heating and hot water needs. Moreover, Thermia heat pumps can generate cooling and heating simultaneously. This means, for example, that the system can remove surplus heat from one area of the building, such as the restaurant, and use it to produce hot water for the spa or pool. This minimizes energy waste and ensures that heating and cooling are provided in the most efficient way and at the lowest possible cost. Powered by Thermia heat pumps.